Did you know that there are ways to develop eco-friendly plastic packaging without buying new machinery? All it takes is a new way of thinking from manufacturers to make it a success. Here at Siemens, we are helping food and beverage manufacturers tackle their most pressing environmental and financial concerns head-on. For this to happen, manufacturers need to firstly reduce plastic wastage across their plants. Using the Siemens digital simulation tool, we help manufacturers to 1. Accurately predict plastic wastage before it reaches the factory floor. 2. Test new designs without any additional cost. 3. Provide eco-friendly solutions throughout the supply chain. It's a win-win for both manufacturers and consumers, and it's simpler than you might think to get started. Together, we can make zero waste a reality.